received my VoxBox from Influenster, and it is the Perricone MD VoxBox. Now, if you don't know what Influenster is, they send you products to test. You get to write your reviews, so we get these items complimentary. I'm very excited about this because Perricone MD is one of my favorite brands. So the box says, boldly pushing the limits brings powerful results. I'm really excited about this. Ooh, looks like full-size product here. Okay, I got the Smoothing and Brightening Under Eye Cream. Full size. Again, I got this for free for my review, so I'm going to review this. It's 1/2 ounce, and I really could use this because of the bags under my eyes. Always helpful. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. Hardly any smell to it, which I like. I like that. All right, thanks, Influenster. I'll be posting my reviews soon.